see a man's face, but they can't see my heart. Real talk. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very chaotic, somewhat echoey, but we can reduce the echo. But I am getting ready to go out for dinner. It's the last day of Vacay, and we're going to just, on our way home, stop and grab a bite to eat. All four of us, so yeah, that's the plan. We're going to go to Plantation Smokehouse. I don't know, I call it Plantation Steakhouse. So you guys, I'm gonna do a quick little beat. I think fussy. Start with the brows. I also have my mirror here. Not even sure if it makes sense. But we move. So while I'm doing my face, let's have a little chat. And first I wanted to do a video, basically highlighting 30 things that I learned in my 30 years. But that kind of probably too long and boring, so I said let me just incorporate it in this video. I'll cut it down to 10 or 5. Depends on how fast I can do my makeup. And it's kind of hot in here. Open the windows, but I had to close the door to the bedroom because the boys are just too noisy. Anyways, let's just do 5. 5 things I learned in my 30 years on earth. Number 1, and this is probably cliche or a shared sentiment, which it should be. Number 1 is that we are nothing without God. Nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Whenever you try to take up anything upon yourself without consulting God first, never make plans without including Him. Listen, you just have to include Him in all aspects of your life. If you want to go down the road, say a little prayer. Ask Him to protect you. Ask Him to guide you, because listen, just going out and coming in is a blessing in itself. So, as we say, you have to put God first in everything you do. We are nothing without Him. Listen, my life is a testimony, guys. And if I were to ever sit down and share with you, you'd be shocked. But maybe I will one day. Not sure yet.
Mommy?
Hi.
Where's that?
That is probably in the next bathroom. Check if you see it. Maybe I can leave.
And you in this bathroom?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave the door open so you can eliminate some of the echo and give look AC can hear hot. So yeah, I can't recall a time in my life where I had made it through like a difficult situation or anything without God. Impossible, right? Impossible. So we sometimes get caught up in all these worldly things. Let me see if this is right here. We sometimes get caught up in all of these worldly things, and sometimes we forget Him. I'm guilty of that myself. I forget Him a lot. Something that I forget to do most time is pray, or to just sit down and talk to Him. But once I realize that, hey, I slip up, I catch myself and say, no girl, this is not you. This is not it. So, as I said, include Him in every aspect of your life. Speak to Him. Don't have to be daily. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you can say a little prayer.
And the one with that.
You can have it. Say a little prayer. If you're not big on going to church, kind of like I am, I don't go to church every week, or I just go to church whenever I can. But the absence of going to church does not affect your relationship with God. That's what I think. I don't think you have to go to church every Sunday or every Saturday just to establish or solidify that relationship. Hear them out there. Don't murder them. You don't. From you know your heart clean, you know where your soul lives, you know that your life belongs to Him, then Whatever anybody else says is just their opinion. It has nothing to do with you. And I'm sure that you can relate to basically him coming through for you whenever you approach him with a problem, because I've never approached him with a problem that he did not solve. Listen, I feel up on pulpit and preach, but that's another conversation, right? Growing up, like just being where I am today, I give all the praises to him. So yeah, number one, there ain't nothing without him. Number two, live life and make each day count. Might sound simple, but it's really not. Right? In this life, well, as far as I know, we only have one life. It's very short, it's very fickle, and I think we sometimes take it for granted. Tomorrow is promised to no man. So yeah, that's the second thing I learned. Tomorrow is promised to no one. Like I had a really bad dream last night. I won't go into much details. You know that time when people say, oh, they might share something with them, send them not going into details. I find that really annoying. But sometimes it's just not something you want to share. So it's whatever. I had a really bad dream last night that I lost a loved one, and just the immense pain that I felt. I remember this is a dream. It's not even real. The immense pain that I felt. I think it was kind of a wake-up call because I have been kind of closed off lately. I've just been living in my own world because I've been going through some stuff, and I feel like selfish. When I'm going through things, I feel like my coping mechanism is to just shut down, shut off, and just crawl into a little hole, lock out the world, don't communicate with anybody, other than a selected few. But really and truly, I just in my own little zone. I don't want to talk to nobody. I just in the mood for nobody. And as a result of that, I've neglected a lot of people, family in particular, people who don't really understand where I'm coming from, because I'm just hey, they're my family and I should be accessible to them at all times, regardless of what I'm going through. And I'm like, I'm not so at work. I'm not so at work. And that's something that I've had to force myself to do. Because I've always made myself accessible to people, regardless of what I'm going through. And sometimes that means not showing up as my best self, not showing up how I'd want it for them. And that's just doing a disservice to myself and them. So, in all honesty, I'd rather to just, let myself away and do my own thing. But they don't understand, right? They don't understand. It's like, I don't know, I feel like they run about around them, but really actually my run about around me. That's it. How long I do them bros here? Them all look crooked. Oh my god. Okay, so if I'm up on the bros, I wanna reach no yet. We don't reach now because we are ride and we see. When I ride good. That's what I mean, but yeah. Yeah, just live each day, enjoy each moment, because you never know. You might not live to see tomorrow, so make the most of today. That's what I sound like. I just made it up. Yeah, number 3. Failure is a must. In this life, nobody goes through life having a billion successes and 0 failures. Failure is a must. As long as you're out there trying to do something new, something fun, whatever it is, you're bound to fail. You're not always succeed. But the onus is on you to ensure that that failure does not set you back in any way, shape, or form. I've experienced many failures in my life, and yeah, it get me down for a while, but never for long. Like, I have that resilience where I can just bounce back from anything. And my life, as good as a testimony, I've been bouncing back. I've been patient. I've been waiting for my breakthrough. I've just been trying. That's all I can say. A girl has been trying, and just go be patient, yeah, man, and hope say my time will come. But listen, failure is a must, but don't let it get you down. Whatever you're doing, just do it to the best of your ability. As I said, include God in all aspects of your life. And if something fail, maybe it's just redirecting you. So them say always say failures are redirection. So try something else. You never know. So yeah. That's the third thing. And in all of this, like as we say, sometimes you might look at certain things as being pointless. Because I remember Tom's Travels had this little TikTok where she said, all of this just to die. Like sometimes I something look bad and I'm like, you don't hear too much ambition and I stress out myself. And really and truly, all of this. I stress out myself over all of this and we can do it tomorrow, so like remember I stress out myself. So like, makes no sense. So that one thing we start doing. Start stress on myself. Start just put the stress on yourself and stay over yourself. I'm not interested. So yeah, failures will come, accept them, move on. Simple as that. Somebody use a look fit me foundation. Now guys, I went makeup shopping the other day. Shop Fashion Era. Well, Fashion Era Beauty is an extension of Shop Fashion Era. I probably post some of those videos on my TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, head on over now and follow girl at Couture Shanz. I've been doing some creative videos, like just what I do in like a daily outing, or I just share my life basically. So some lifestyle content. So I did a couple of videos of some things that I shop there, and the foundation is one of them. And listen, butter on my skin. Look how the foundation is melting on my skin. Love it. And I'm a shade 334. I don't know, I use 320. It did the job. But when I did the shade match, I realized, hey, this is it. Butter. Love it. So you guys can check them out. I'll leave the link right here on the screen, and you guys can check them out on IG. Makeup products, clothing, bags, shoes, you name it. Everything. Alright, so I'm gonna blend out this. I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. Where am I? The frame? I should go over here. So I'm back. I feel like the light is not doing me justice. But let's move on. I'm going to do concealer now. I move on to the fourth thing that I learned in my 30 years on earth. A long time in the earth, you know? 30 years is a long ass time. So yeah. Number 4. Can't trust people. Mankind art. One of the most evilest thing on earth. You can see a man's face, but you can't see him heart. Real talk. You can't trust people. And listen, sometimes in this life you encounter like a few genuine people. You need to treasure them because I'm rare, I'm limited, literally a limited edition. Trust me, I've been lucky enough to find a few good ones that I've let in. Really and truly, it never happened overnight. Myself, Shanice, can't trust people. Probably take me like 10 years at max to be able to trust somebody. Like, literally, it's a work in progress. I just feel like I've been let down so many times by so many people. It's just really hard for me to trust in general. And people who like make friends like that, you just meet somebody and they and them a bestie and them something. I couldn't do it. Me have a pan a leash. You guilty until proven innocent. You have to come really good for me. Say, hey, the person you know, say, the person you really can really trust them, can really let them in. And as you guys see, I don't really have much friends, and that's mainly why. People are different. Sometimes people pray me for certain things, and I'm like, I'm not really not calm. I'm not praying for the same thing, isn't it? And it all boils down to our experiences in life. People who have had like bad experiences with friendships, you can't expect them. Oh no! What happened? Careful. You can't expect them people to body with everybody. Everybody and them are bestie. So you have to keep them on a little leash. And I don't know, I don't see anything wrong with that in protecting your space or protecting your peace. To each his own. Like if you want to have a bugger friend and behind closed door, half of them are pray, half of them are like you, half of them envy you, then do that. We can't tell you no, can't tell you not to, but over here we keep the circle small because, as I say, mankind, evil. Every day you hear on the news, friend a kill friend, spouse a kill spouse, we hear about one just kill her husband. And this is the person you stood up in front of God and whoever else and took vows, like literal vows. Guys, I'm using this palette, this powder palette. It got broken in transit. A natural buff, but I'm going to drop alcohol on this and fix it up back. So I got this from Fashion and Era Beauty as well, and I'm going in with this Rich Tan to set my concealer. Yeah. So as we say, you literally stand up in front of God and much people and take vows. I didn't understand them something there. He was literally sleeping with the enemy. And sometimes the enemies are closer than you could ever imagine. Then the right and the end was. I know some people say, oh, keep your friends closer, your enemies closer. I don't want the enemy around me. Me don't want no enemy around me. Once you start moving sideways like crap, I'm out. No lie, I am out. If me get the little slightest you say, you don't like me, why me I keep you around? Why me want people around me when I like? My mother always tell you, stay far from people who don't like you. I take no from nobody, they will price you. And that's true. I've seen it happen so many times. And all I can do is just, as I said, protect your space, protect your energy. Be trusting, but don't be naive. Do not be naive. Don't think that everybody is your friend. Don't think that everybody who claps for you is actually, genuine or it's coming from a genuine place. Just be smart about it. At the end of the day, you can't walk around with people, but as I say, to each his own. But just be vigilant. My makeup is looking a bit patchy. I don't like that. But my face is breaking out, so. And that's the thing, when you don't have a flawless face, the base not go flawless. So I'm literally working on having a flawless face. So the makeup can snatch a nice thing. So moving on, I'm going to contour. Using my Milani Minerals pressed powder to contour here. And just give the face a little warmth. And then I'm going to snatch up the nose and put on a little mascara, a little liner, and then we should be out of here. Not much. I have to go get the board ready. 1, 2. Okay, so we're at number 5. The last thing that Shanice has learned is that while I say all of them things, the man cannot evil all them son. You cannot allow others to change you. You cannot allow the actions of others, the doings of others, the shortcomings of others to change your heart. If you're a genuine person, if you're a good person, like if you're a real, genuine, nice person, and people shake with you like that, nobody will change because of them. Because that's what they want. Have people whose aim is to just wreak havoc in this world and what do call it? Just want to see a world where just full of chaos and evil and crime and violence. Like literally have people out there who that's their MO, as we say. Them no want to see peace, them no want to see love. And then for them heart dirty, so them go around and try to dirty up people heart. But you can't take the bait. Can't take the bait at all. So as I say, if you know your heart as I do, my heart, hair clean. I don't even need to drink coconut water with my heart clean, If you know your heart, do not let others change you. No matter how them come, no matter how them disrupt your spirit, no matter how them cross you, keep them at arm's length, as I said. You have to keep them around you, but don't let them change you. Don't stoop to their level to the point where you're now becoming like them. And you just add to the chaos. Just be the change that you wish to see, even if you're not a nice person. I always try to do a good deed when I can. So yeah guys, that's it All I can say, the world needs more people who are just peaceful, happy. And you know, say, when you're happy within yourself, half the time, when you're happy within yourself, you don't make nothing bother you. You don't walk and trouble people like me. But I don't walk and trouble people. I'm good within myself. I'm not a very happy person, I'd say. Other than my off moments, my off periods. I'd say that I'm a very happy person. When you're happy with yourself, you're happy with the world. Because happy people don't go around causing chaos. Happy people don't want to see other people sad. Happy people don't bring down others. Like, you ever share something with somebody and just the response that you get, you can see that, hey, the person is happy for me. And they're not happy with themselves and all that other thing. So why would you let someone like that in your space, one, and two, affect you mentally? Because you probably put that by your head now and say, you know, you never like how the person react, yada, yada, yada. Don't pay that no mind. Just do you. I'm always saying, do you. Don't let anybody change you. Because at the end of the day, you know, you have to live for yourself. You can't live for people. And if you're living for people, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you. You're on the wrong path if you live for people. Imagine you have one life and you spend to try to please people. Guys, in this age of social media, I'm bare like on the internet. Bare like you can tell, you know. And you look on it and you're depressed and you say, oh, you want to live like the person. Listen. Life for them and live there for real. You come on the internet and I show you guys my life. What it is, what it isn't. I'm not come on your front and make it seem like, say, oh, I'm life together, I'm like the richest chick. Not at all. I'm working, I'm getting there. And when I do get there, I'll share the actual success story. Not no little fluff. I say, oh, you know, I started a business and my business did this. Some of them business they were legit. Some of them business on the same thing, they might flourish and they make much millions. And the business I make them rich, sis. Don't let them trick you. Running a business is one of the hardest things to do. I can tell you that. So yeah, I hope you guys took something from those 5 lessons that I learned. Yeah, sometimes you have to go through it to understand it. But still I decided to share with you what I'm asking you. Sure. So yeah, that's it for the beats. I need to put on a little. We can't go without black liner under my eyes. Can't. Hey, I'm align my eyes. Hi, Debbie. Check out my clothes. I'm gonna be in your booksy. And my waterline is black liner. And that's it for the makeup look, guys. That's it. Simple, simple, simple. I'm gonna line my lips as well. And I'll be wearing just some simple gloss. So yeah. That's it for the beats. That's it for the beat. That's it for the beat. What is? So I got smudge this salt, salt this on. And guys, please, please, please help a girl out and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Check out the videos that I have. I'm gonna link a playlist up here so you guys can check that out. And I just want to say thank you guys for always rocking with your girl. Thank you for always coming back and watching my videos, for supporting each and every one of you guys. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You don't even understand. But yeah, I'll get ready now and head out. I'm hungry. So this is the finished look. Over here so look a little patchy because I have some eczema or whatever the case is on my face. But yeah, this is it. Simple and cute. Yeah.
Guys, you can finally have your cake and wear it too. Introducing Cakes, the newest wardrobe staple from Cakes Body. Cakes are non-adhesive silicone nipple covers that are perfect for workout, swim, and form-fitting outfits. These nipple covers are made of 100% medical-grade silicone, which means they're non-toxic, flexible, and durable. Cakes are also reusable, so you can use them as many times as possible. Available in 3 different shades and sizes, there's definitely a cake just for you. Click the link in my bio or use code SHANZ10 to receive 10% off your order when you shop at cakesbody.com.
Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Wanna be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold.
Let me take over all y'all. Okay. What you doing? Let's go sit.
Look, Mommy.
What is it?
It's a ray.
Oh, a stingray. That's so cool. I didn't even realize. They have different animals.
Mommy, that's how you look around. There's a rooster on it.
There's a rooster.
Yeah, and then Mommy did that.
Alright, come. Let's go sit.
People in the dress.
Okay, let's go find Daddy.
These dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top of that, ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Get me and Nicky getting married today. And now you that be hating.
There are plantation smokehouse. Jamir, come here, Bugsy. It's pretty chill so far, other than the copyright in the background. Yeah, I don't see anybody either.
Oh, baby, I'm coming. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall.
What's that?
This.
What is it? Turn it around. So that's what you want?
Yes.
That's like some jerk chicken. Javi, what you want? What would you like, my love? So Jamir said want jerk chicken. What would you like?
I want pepper on my jerk chicken.
Alright, no problem. What do you want?
Let me see.
What would you like?
I like. Mama, there's no more cake.
Them have more money. Strawberry mix pineapple papaya. Which one? So we'll take 2 blackberries. One strawberry. 2 strawberries. And that's yes, please. Jason, yes. And that's about it. I took strawberry for you. Thank you.
Yeah. And Daddy wants a brown cake.
Brown cake. Yeah, we're gonna get some cake soon. Thank you.
Oh, you still want to be spicy?
No. What are you putting on my food?
This.
That's pepper?
No.
What is it?
Mommy.
Please?
It's
Here you
soap.
go.
Thank you. It's soap.
You're welcome.
It's soap.
Okay, here.
I need soap. I need some soap.
Sure.
Here.
So I got the jerk chicken with some veggies on the side. Javi, don't put any more salt on it. I also got some festivals for the boys. And Jason got the wings. Jamir, your piece. Also got some daiquiris. You can have some of it.
I got some.
Sure.
Oh, baby, I'm coming. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be.
Chicken is really good actually. The jerk chicken is very moist. And the festivals, bomb. Influenza. Who teaches us to dance? By your fault, Jamie, by your fault. He taught himself how to dance. Who you dance like? Who you dance? Good boy. Good boy, you practice. Good boy. Bank on it. Everything I say, I spend on it. And I probably play that lamp on it. Cause I walk around with a bank on it. You can put that on there. We gotta go, it's raining. So that's it for Smokehouse. Smokehouse. Why you stay like that? Other side, Boogsies, other side. I'm gonna give y'all my review. Get in the car, it's gonna rain. Go, 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 go. I'm going to go give them more review, yeah, man. You want my pedal?
No, I don't want my pedal.
Plantation focus.
I don't want
Plantation what? Focus.
water. No.
Guys,
Water?
not tell a lie. The food was okay, but it wasn't all that. It wasn't all that. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, it wasn't all that.
Oh, Miss Child.
It wasn't. Customer service was good, probably. Customer service was good. The food was good. Chicken was really good. The wings, there's some tasty wings and it never all that. Wouldn't look about the wings. Again, another day. But more left from Kingston. Come here, Ochi. See, I live at Ochi fan because like a nice like a chill spot. Kind of remind me of the place in the Pansan Street. The place near Pepper Time in the nose. So that was definitely a vibe. The Vacay weekend was lit in some areas. The weather could have been better, but I'm not complaining. We got some well-needed rest and relaxation. And I think we're all fueled up now to take on the world, right? Right? Yeah? Yeah, we didn't need that time. But now, like, I really appreciate like the time off away from everybody and away from everything to just clear our mind. Yeah, so I could do this every quarter. Every quarter, so.
We gotta know where to wear
So guys, we've come to the end of this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button right down here. Don't forget to check out the other vlogs in the Jamaica vlog playlist. I'll link it up here and you can go ahead and check it out. And most importantly, thank you so much for coming back every week, every Sunday, and just vibing with your girl. See you guys. I'll see you next week. Peace. Bye. What is that?